Hi friends, in last lecture we have seen numericals on convection. Now we will solve few numericals on radiation. तो बहुत easy है radiation के numericals. So first step is to write given data. Second step is what we have to find out. Third stage is solution and according to that we will solve this numerical. बहुत easy numerical है. Okay. So given data I will write as GD. Okay, given data. First, what is given? Friends, the metal plate having a area. Dear friends, area has given. First thing, area is denoted by capital letter A, and area is given, that is 2.1 meter square. दूसरी थिंग दिए वाले मेंटेन एट 290 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एक्सचेंज हीट बाय रेडिएशन. ओके, रेडिएशन से क्या कर रही, हीट एक्सचेंज कर रही विथ अदर प्लेट. डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू हैव टू नो. ओके, व्हाट ही हैज टोल्ड, वन प्लेट दिए वाली है, वो रेडिएशन से हीट अदर प्लेट को दे रही, और वो दिए वाली प्लेट जो है, ओके, वो प्लेट का टेम्परेचर है 290. वी कैन कंसिडर, ओके, दिस इज द वन प्लेट, फर्स्ट प्लेट, दिस इज द first plate having temperature 290 degree Celsius. Okay, this T1 is 290 degree Celsius. Okay, and it is radiating heat get radiated. Okay, it is radiated and heat is transferred to the other plate. Okay, here is another plate. The heat transfer takes place by radiation, and the T2 temperature of this place is 35 degree Celsius. Okay, they have given here. So what have given, the area has given, maintain at temperature, the first plate temperature, that is T1 equals to 290 degree Celsius. Okay, dear friends, you know, whenever we solve the numericals on convection, रेडिएशन, दैट टाइम वी विल ऑलवेज टेक्स द टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन. अपन क्या करते हैं, केल्विन में टेम्परेचर रखते हैं, तो सेम वी विल डू हियर. सो टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन के लिए क्या करते हैं अपन, 290 प्लस 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, 270 अपन क्या करते हैं, उसमें ऐड करते हैं, ऐड द टेम्परेचर. सो वी विल डायरेक्टली ऐड 0 + 3 3, 9 + 7 6, कैरी 1, 2 + 1 3 + 2 563 Kelvin. Okay, 3 16 1 4 5. Okay, this is your temperature in Kelvin. Okay, first plate temperature. Okay, this plate, first plate, this is your second plate, and it is transferring heat by radiation to this another plate having temperature T2 is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, third thing given, that is T2 is equals to 35 degree Celsius. We will always put, okay, in radiation we are always taking temperature in Kelvin. अपन क्या करते हैं, केल्विन में रखते हैं, तो सेम थिंग. ओके, 273 will be added, then 5 + 3 8, 3 + 7 10, 0, carry 1, 2 + 1 3, 308 Kelvin. Okay, this is the T2 temperature. The value of the factor due to the geometric location and emissivity. Dear friends, emissivity have given. Okay, whenever there will be emissivity will be given. Okay, that is emissivity has given, that is 0.46. Okay, emissivity have given, that is 0.46. We have seen, okay, when the black body is covered by other body, that time we will take the factor as a 1, and when the non-black body is covered by other body, at that time we are taking the factor. Okay, जो कि factor क्या रहता है, that is denoted by letter F, and वो क्या करता है, geometric properties क्या करता, represent करता. Okay, of that material or surface or body which is radiating heat. Okay, and that factor we are considering here. Okay, इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो emissivity दिए वाली है, okay, whatever may be the emissivity given, that is whenever emissivity is given, we have to consider one thing, non-black body is covered with other body. Okay, and this is nothing but your factor F equals to emissivity equals to that given whatever may be. So first thing we have to find out the, this is your given data to find. Second stage is to find what to find first thing what we have to find out the heat lost by radiation q you have to find out first thing you have to find heat lost by radiation second thing you have to find out the value of thermal resistance okay rth okay thermal resistance and in radiation that why rth rad we have to find out second thing okay thermal resistance in radiation we have to find out and third thing we have to find out that is the value of equivalent convection coefficient. Dear friends, we have to find out the h. What is the value of it? Okay, the solution of this numerical is we have to find out first. Okay, solution to this numerical. Okay, first we have to find out q. Okay, the rate of heat transfer by radiation is known to you. Radiation is the formula for that is F sigma A into T1 raised to power 4 minus T2 raised to power 4. Okay, all the things are known to you. So we know the first if how to find out heat transfer by radiation. Heat transfer by radiation. Heat transfer by radiation, that is Q equals to F sigma A T1 raised to power 4 minus T2 raised to power 4. Dear friends, we have to put the values in this. Okay, so we'll put here the values. Okay, your F is nothing but your emissivity. F is nothing but your emissivity. Okay, here factor what it may be. Okay, that represent 0.46. That represent non-black body is covered with other body. F sigma, value of sigma is known to you, 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 8 into area has given, that is 2.1 into okay T1 raised to power 4, here 563 raised to power 4 minus T2 raised to power 4, 308 raised to power 4, and in this way we have find out the rate of heat transfer in watt, that is Q. Okay, in watt. Okay, put the values and find out the answer in Kelsi. Okay, comment करो. Okay, answer find करो और क्या करो, comment करो वीडियो के नीचे. Okay, what is your answer? And I have find out that answer in watt, that is 5010. 5010.02 watt. Okay, I have find out that the heat transfer in radiation, that is we have find out that. Okay, dear friends, and the second thing we have to find out, that is second thing we have to find out, that is thermal resistance. Okay, RTH rad. Okay, thermal resistance in radiation we have to find out. Okay, how we will find out thermal resistance in radiation? You know the formula, rate of heat transfer Q equals to T1 minus T2 divided by RTH rad. Okay, this is your known formula. From this what we will obtain, RTH rad equals to T1 minus T2. Okay, so from this we will obtain the formula for RTH rad equals to T1 minus T2 divided by Q. Okay, this is the required your formula. We have to put the values here. Okay, value put up karo. What is your T1? We have converted that value in degree Kelvin. That is your T1 is 563 minus 308 divided by rate of heat transfer in watt, that is 5010.02, and in this way you have find out the thermal resistance. Okay, thermal resistance RTH. Okay, for radiation we have find out here value. Okay, put values and find out the answer of the same. Okay, इसका आंसर निकालो, and I have find out that 0.0589. Okay, dear friends, you know the formula आपको मालूम होना, unit should be known to you. Okay, this is the temperature difference and this is rate of heat transfer Q. temperature difference is measured in degree Celsius, okay, or Kelvin. Okay, we have put it here in Kelvin, so Kelvin per watt. Okay, you have to find out here, that is Kelvin per watt. Okay, this is in power, it is measured in watt. Okay, और आपने ये डिग्री सेल्सियस में लिखा होंगे तो क्या आएगा इधर, डिग्री सेल्सियस पर वैट. Okay, so the third thing we have to find out is, so the third thing you have to find out, this is your second required answer, this is your first required answer. Dear friends, I am giving here square bracket. Okay, square bracket is the answer, and we will find out the third thing. Okay, what we have to find out, third thing, that is the value of equivalent convection coefficient. Dear friends, convection coefficient is given by H. Convection coefficient, okay, is given by H. Okay, you know the rate of heat transfer by convection. Okay, the Newton's law of cooling is known to you. Okay, the formula for rate of heat transfer by convection, that is Q equals to H into A. Okay, H into A T1 minus T2. Okay, that is the formula. Okay, you should know the rate of heat transfer by convection, that is Q equals to H convective heat transfer coefficient into area into T1 minus T2. The formula is known to you, dear friends. From this we will find out the formula for H equals to Q by area into T1 minus T2. Okay, this is the formula for convective heat transfer coefficient. Then put the values here. The Q we have find out that is 5010 divided by area is known to you, dear friends. Okay, area has given, that is 2.1 into, that is T1 minus T2. Okay, temperature difference, that is T1 minus T2 is 563 minus 308. Okay, and we have find out it here the value of H equals to, okay, put the values in Calci and find out the answer. Mention your answer in comment. Okay, what is the answer for this? And I have find out it the value of H, that is 9.3537. okay, you know Q by area into temperature difference. Though Q is measured in watt, area is measured in meter square, temperature difference is measured in degree Celsius. The unit of this is watt per area is measured in meter square degree Celsius. Okay, dear friends, we have find out here, okay, the value of H. Okay, convective heat transfer coefficient we have find out here. Okay, so we'll so आपको ये करना है, पॉज करके ये न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने का है. ओके, वी हैव टू make a practice of this all things. Okay, so we will move. I hope you have understood this. Okay, we will move for another one, numerical. This is the required problem statement. Given problem statement है, so we will write the given data for problem statement. So the plate having the area, reference area has given, area of plate having, and in bracket they have told thermal conductivity. Okay, plate की thermal conductivity बताया. So is maintained at plate. Okay, there is one plate. प्लेट का सरफेस टेम्परेचर उन्होंने बताया. ओके, दिस इज द प्लेट हैविंग, ओके, टेम्परेचर ऑफ सरफेस टेम्परेचर बताया इस प्लेट का. ओके, दैट इज 308 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड एयर इज एट 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस ब्लोज ओवर प्लेट. और इस प्लेट के ऊपर से क्या जा रही, एयर जा रही, डियर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, this is the motion of the air. Okay, motion of the air, and that is nothing but temperature of the fluid. Okay, temperature of the fluid okay, temperature of the fluid, and we are taking the temperature of the fluid as 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, 18 डिग्री से क्या हो रहा, 18 डिग्री से एयर ऊपर से प्लेट के ऊपर से जा रही. सो if the convective heat transfer coefficient H, okay, H of air has, okay, given that is H equals to 25 watt per meter degree, okay, watt per meter square degree Celsius, that has given, and the radiation heat loss they have given here, okay, 235 watt is lost from the plate surface by radiation. okay, यहाँ से क्या हो रहा, रेडिएशन से हीट लॉस्ट हो रहा. सो and that heat lost by radiation has given, and that is nothing but radiation heat lost, that is Q rad. okay, रेडिएशन से हीट लॉस हो रहा, और वो कितना हो रहा, that is 235 watt. okay, this is the required problem, and now we will write here the given data of this problem. Dear friends, the thermal conductivity has given, that is K is 52 watt per meter degree Celsius. Surface area has given, okay, that is area, we will find out here, area A equals to, okay, dear friends, you should have to know, okay, these all the things are mm. okay, इसको अपन मीटर में करने के तो क्या होगा, डिवाइडेड बाय 1000, दैट इज 0.595, 0.595 into that is 905. so इसको भी by dividing 1000 or by multiplying 10 raised to power minus 3, so we will obtain that is 0.905. okay, in this way, and we have find out that the area of that plate here. okay, I will use here calci, and I will find out the area, that is 0.595 into 0.905. okay, in this way we have find out that area, that is 0.5384 meters square. okay, you can also find out. okay, this is the required area. After that, we have find out it here, the important thing is, okay, T1 temperature, that is surface temperature has given. okay, surface temperature, okay, that is given, surface temperature is 308 degrees Celsius. dear friends, you know, okay, अपन रेडिएशन में क्या लेते हैं, that heat transfer we are taking it in Kelvin, and that is nothing but 308 plus 273. okay, and that is nothing but 581 Kelvin, 581 Kelvin. okay, put the values in calci and find out the answer. calci में रखो. okay, and they have given, okay, temperature of fluid also given. okay, temperature of fluid, and that is nothing but 18 degrees Celsius. okay, 18 degrees Celsius. We will this value also we convert into degrees Kelvin. okay, that is 18 plus 273, and is equals to, we have obtained the value, that is 291 Kelvin. dear friend, and what has given, they have given here, okay, surface temperature has given, and they have told to find out the inside temperature. okay, this Ti we have to find out. okay, इस inside temperature आपको क्या करने का, निकालने का, surface temperature दिया वाला है. so and they have given here the heat transfer coefficient H has given. okay, that is convective heat transfer coefficient 25 watt per meter square degree Celsius. after that, they have given the Q radiation. okay, radiation में कितना हीट लॉस हो रहा वही दिया वाला है, और that is 235. okay, in watt. so to find, आपको निकालना है to find only one thing is we have to find out, and that is initial temperature of the plate. Okay, or inside temperature of the plate. आपको inside temperature निकालना है, that is only one thing is to find out, that is TI अपन को निकालने का है. ओके, सॉल्यूशन टू दिस न्यूमेरिकल. देखो डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू शुड हैव टू नो, आपको मालूम होना, क्या मालूम होना, द हीट ट्रांसफर बाय रेडिएशन. ओके, रेडिएशन से कितना हीट ओके फ्लो हो रहा, ओ दैट इज द समेशन ऑफ हीट लॉस बाय कन्वेक्शन एंड हीट लॉस बाय रेडिएशन. जितना हीट फ्लो हो रहा कंडक्शन से, उतना ही हीट क्या होता, लॉस्ट होता कन्वेक्शन से. कुछ हीट कन्वेक्शन से लॉस्ट होता, कुछ हीट रेडिएशन से लॉस्ट होता. सो एडिशन ऑफ हीट लॉस्ट ऑफ रेडिएशन एंड कन्वेक्शन इक्वल्स टू हीट फ्लो थ्रू कंडक्शन. हमको मालूम होना, वी हैव टू नो. ओके, द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस न्यूमेरिकल इज solution. Okay, important, heat transfer by conduction. Heat transfer by conduction equals to heat lost by convection. Heat lost by convection plus heat lost by radiation. Okay, dear friends, आपने अब तक we have learned till now, क्या आपने पढ़ा है, हीट कंडक्शन. ओके, हीट ट्रांसफर बाय कंडक्शन पढ़ा है. ओके, दैट इज गिवन बाय minus k into a del t by del x, whereas del t by del x is your temperature gradient. Del t is nothing but temperature difference, final temperature minus initial temperature T2 minus T1, whereas dt is or dx is nothing but the thickness of that plate. Okay, and this is nothing but your thickness. Okay, this is nothing but your thickness, and that is also given here. Thickness T1 equals to 30 mm equals to 0.030 मीटर. ओके, अपन ने क्या कर दिया, ये मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया. डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी विल फर्स्ट पुट द वैल्यूज हियर इन दिस इक्वेशन. वी विल फाइंड आउट द फार्मूला फॉर, वी नो द फार्मूला फॉर हीट ट्रांसफर बाय कंडक्शन, दैट इज माइनस के इंटू ए डी टी बाई डी एक्स. ओके, दिस इज द रेट ऑफ हीट ट्रांसफर बाय कंडक्शन equals to heat lost by convection, that is also known to you, H into A T1 minus T2. Okay, or temperature T1 is mentioned as temperature of a surface minus temperature of the fluid. Okay, that is temperature of a surface minus temperature of a fluid. Dear friends, both the temperatures has given, that is surface temperature is given. Okay, and this temperature is also given. Okay, dear friends, we have converted this temperature is in Kelvin also. Okay, then plus heat lost by radiation. Radiation से heat lost कितना हो रहा, तो they directly given here, that is 235 watt is lost from the radiation. Okay, but we will write first formula for that. Okay, you know the heat transfer by radiation, that is F into sigma into A into T1 raised to power 4 minus T2 raised to power 4. Okay, this is the required formula. Okay, here we can write instead. Okay, conductivity has given, okay, minus K into A. Conductivity has given, that is minus 52 into area. Okay, area of plate we have find out that is 0.5384. 0.5384. Okay, into surface temperature Ts, that has given. Okay, we have converted that into Kelvin, and that is nothing but 581 minus temperature of a fluid, एयर का टेम्परेचर जो 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ऊपर से जा रहा प्लेट के ऊपर से. सो the we will convert that in Kelvin, that is 291 degree Kelvin. Okay, plus, and this instead of this all things, okay, factor has not given. Okay, factor has, all the things are given, factor has not given, they haven't mentioned. So but they have given here the heat transferred by radiation. Radiation से कितना heat transfer होगा वो दिए वाला है, that is 235 watt. That is 235 watt, dear friends. Okay, K into E, sorry. Okay, K in, okay, final temperature minus initial temperature here, T1 minus T2. Okay, अपन ने ये अभी फर्स्ट ये लिखेंगे, बाद में इसका लिखेंगे, बाद में उसका लिखेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज the area is known to del T. Okay, del T is temperature difference, that is surface temperature minus temperature, this outside temperature minus inside temperature. Okay, minus Ti divided by, okay, that is divided by dx, that is length or thickness. Okay, instead of dx we'll write out here this thickness, that is 0.030. Okay, formula is minus k into a dt by dx. dt by dx is T2 minus T1. T2 टेम्परेचर आपको मालूम है. ओके, T1 टेम्परेचर आपको निकालने का है. ओके, वो उसने बोला है इनसाइड कैलकुलेट द इनसाइड टेम्परेचर ऑफ द प्लेट. ओके, दैट इज द ओनली one thing which is not known to you. All the things are known to you, equals to. So dear friend, H convective heat transfer coefficient, that is given 25 into area we have find out it, that is 0.5384 into temperature of the surface, that is surface temperature. Okay, 581 minus temperature of the fluid. Okay, एयर का टेम्परेचर दिए वाला है, that is 291. Okay, and heat lost by radiation is also given, that is heat lost by radiation, that is 235. Okay, in this way all the things are known to you. All the things are known to you. First solve this whole. Okay, ये पूरा निकाल लो, उसमें ऐड क्या करो, 275 कर दो. ओके, आपको ये राइट हैंड साइड पूरी मिल जाएगी. ओके, विल फाइंड आउट राइट हैंड साइड, होल राइट हैंड साइड. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, यू हैव टू डू, ओके, दीज आर इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दैट गोज हियर इन डिवीजन. ओके, ये सब क्या होगा, इधर आके डिवीजन में आएगा, और ये जो डिवीजन में है वो इधर ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई होगा. एंड इन दिस वे विल फाइंड आउट, ओके, टी आई. ओके, ये माइनस टी आई होगा, वो इधर आके प्लस टी आई होगा. ओके, टी आई की वैल्यू, ओके, सिंपली पुट द वैल्यूज इन कैलसी एंड फाइंड आउट द आंसर फॉर टी आई. एंड आई हैव फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ टी आई. ओके, inside temperature of that okay plate is 585.43 Kelvin. Dear friends, okay, I have find out this inside temperature of the plate. Okay, from this equation. Okay, क्या किया अपन ने, आपको मालूम है हीट ट्रांसफर बाय कन्वेक्शन इक्वल्स टू हीट लॉस बाय कन्वेक्शन प्लस radiation. Heat loss by radiation. Simply formula is known to you. Okay, what is the convection? Okay, conduction formula minus K into A del T by del X. Okay, del T is nothing but temperature difference, T2 minus T1 divided by del X is nothing but length or thickness. Okay, आपको ये दिए वाला है in a numerical. Okay, so we have put it here values equals to heat transfer by convection is known to H into A T 1 Ts minus Tf, temperature of surface minus temperature of fluid. Okay, surface temperature has given. Okay, fluid temperature here ऊपर से जा रही, उसका भी temperature दिया वाला है. Okay, ये पूरा इधर लिख दिए. And instead of all this formulae they have given heat lost by radiation. Radiation से कितना लॉस हो रहा वो दिए वाला है. So unknown thing is only inside temperature of that plate. Okay, in this way, okay, by putting in calcium we will find out the values. Okay, thank you.